Alright, welcome back to my channel. I remain myself at the great Johnsonkeyz. So today I'm going to show you a gospel melodic move in the key of C sharp. So C sharp, D flat rather, it's popularly known as D flat, E flat, F, G flat, A flat, B flat, C, and D flat. So alright, so let me show you this movement now. It's a 7-3-6, but we're going to do a gospel melodic movement on the 7. So let's have your one chord like this. 1 and 3, then 1, 3, 5. So let's add that for 1. So let's say we are doing this song. As the, you can play your 7 chord like this. So we have a 7, 5. On right we have a 9, 5, and 7. So let me call out the notes. The notes are C and A flat on the left. Now the right is E flat, A flat, and C. So I'm giving you these chords because I want them to become your chords. So I'm not showing anything off here. I'm actually giving you the same chords I'm playing. All right. So right now this is where we are going. So we need to go as the day panted for, but we don't just want to go that simple. You know, we already know how to play as the deep panted for. Some of us already know how to play that. Some don't know. It's very simple. Just do as the deep panted for. I'm sure you can see the chords. Yeah, you can see the chords. All right. So okay. So even if you don't play in the key of C sharp before, you can learn this that I'm teaching you now and be able to play it in the key of C sharp. So this is where we are going now. We want to do as the panted for. So we don't just want to do as the day panted for. We want to do as the panted for. Yeah, you want to surprise God's people. You want to show them that you carry the power of God, the anointing of God on your life by playing this. So you're not just that too simple player. I just play panted for. So let me show you what I'm doing. Yeah, I'm going to give you this by the grace of God. I'm giving you this. Now the first move is actually a diminished move. We have a A on the left, we have a E flat, G flat, and C on the right. Now if you're a beginner, I expect you to write this down. Don't watch this and say it's too fast. Nothing is too fast, because it is fast because it's more than your level. Now how to conquer that is you need to write. Yeah, so you need to write. As I'm calling it now, write it down, then practice it on your own space. On your own pace. Yeah, don't try to play with no. When I'm showing you, even at this pace, you can still get it because you need to first write it down, then practice after. So let's do that and we'll start getting results. Yeah, that's for the beginners. The professionals already, most people already picked this already, but I'm going to call it the notes out once again. So we have a A on the left, we have E flat, G flat, and C on the right. So I expect you to write that down. Right. So if you've done that, let's move to the next. The next is G flat on the left, C, E flat, and A on the right. Just write it down again. It will add up. So first one is A on the left, E flat, G flat, C. Second is G flat on the left, C, E flat, A. The third one is E flat on the left. Then we have A, C, and F sharp. Yeah. After you do those 3, 1, 2, 3, then you resort to your 6 chord, which is in this case 6, 3, 7, 1, 3. We have a B flat and F on the left. We have a C, D flat, and F on the right. So together we have as the deep panted for. Now you need to study the time I'm coming in, so you won't be late on this. Then you go pa 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 pa. While they're singing panted for, that's how you go panted. So it's like you are coming in before they are pan. So steady panted for. So you come in before panted. Let's do this song. For you are great, you do miracles so great. Same thing. For you are great, You do your 7, you do me, them, and people are like, wow, that brother is blessed on the keyboard. No one else like you. You have not clicked the subscribe button. Oh yeah, click it now. Subscribe so you'll be able to watch more. I have over 340 videos on this channel. God bless you. I'm here to teach you, to train you to become a better gospel musician. God bless you as you journey on this journey. Thank you and bye.